Good morning from us. I was just looking at her earlier and I was thinking tonight will be 1 week since we've got her. Kayla. I applied the aloe vera yesterday. Last night after I came back. Last night only had time after class. I was so tired. Still feeling tired. Managed to sleep for at least 5 hours. There's a haze warning out. All those with respiratory problems advised to stay indoors. But not so bad today lah. Today is quite clear. Did it rain? Oh, someone must have washed their car. Saturday. Daddy will come. What is that? Let's get his containers ready. He asked me to look for, those robot cleaners. Look for one on Lazada, the online shopping platform. So I found 2 or 3. He said his budget is about 100 something ringgit. But some relatively good ones for 80 ringgit. So he said, we'll talk about it today when he comes. We'll do that. And then I have Kimberly today at 5. Enough, baby? Okay. Enough. Okay, I'm going to go and make my coffee now. Yeah, you've learned to stop, huh? You learn to stop before you clean the whole bowl out. Oh, yeah. I blocked that now with the whiteboard, cardboard, all the boards. Worried. Okay. Hi. Her ears. But she's scratching less than when she came. So just go on applying the aloe vera. Yeah, put her down. Okay. And put some aloe vera for her. Hi.